kids! Today's special treat is mini eggplant pizza. Colorful, fun, and super yummy. Let's cook together step by step.
Then slice them into round pieces and sprinkle with a little salt. This helps them stay firm and tasty. Now, let's cook our quick pizza sauce. We sizzle garlic in olive oil, then add crushed tomatoes, oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. It smells amazing. Time to make our pizza base. Brush the eggplant slices with olive oil and grill them until golden with nice char marks, perfect and ready to top. Spread some fresh tomato sauce onto each eggplant slice, just like tiny pizza crusts. Now comes the fun part. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese, colorful bell peppers, and sweet cherry tomatoes on top. So bright and delicious! Place them in the oven and bake until the cheese melts and everything looks golden and bubbly. Yum! I can't wait! Finally, add fresh basil leaves, a drizzle of olive oil, and a little Parmesan if you like. And there it is, our mini eggplant pizzas ready to enjoy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more yummy alphabet food adventures. See you next time!